browser, and same web page you had opened in Firefox browser, and same web page you had opened in Internet Explorer. So you may get very alignments. I mean, the alignments should be changed, or the images should be changed, or images should not load properly. That's why we'll do cross-browser testing. So as of now, all the browsers supports same alignments, all things happen, but it will be some minor mistakes will be there. So identify that minor mistakes, we'll do cross-browser testing. So we'll see in this video. Okay, so I had already created one project called cross-browser testing. Inside that I had created one package. Inside that I had created one PyDev project module. So here I am going to import the statement from Selenium import WebDriver. So I'm going to work with first Google Chrome browser. So driver is equals to webdriver.chrome, and I'm going to set the executable path. So obviously I need to copy this executable path. Okay, I would like to copy this executable path. Okay, I would like to copy this executable path. Copy this executable path and paste it here. Okay, I am going to navigate the URL called driver.get. I'll give www. Okay, I need to give http and www. Twitter.com. So I would like to open Twitter in Google Chrome, and I would like to open Twitter in Firefox browser, and I would like to open Twitter in IE if possible. So if my PC compatible to with IE, so definitely I will show with IE too. So I would like to copy this Firefox browser path. Yes, this one. So I'd like to copy this path and I will paste it here. Okay, done. Okay, I am going to call driver.get. Here also I am going to call this twitter.com. So www.twitter.com. Okay, so here also I am going to call IE, right? So driver is equals to webdriver.IE. So this one. So we need to select this Internet Explorer. So here also we need to set the executable path. So I will try. In my PC I had already downloaded some files regarding this IE2. So let me check here. So if the IE file is there, so definitely I will place it here, or else if not means I will ignore this IE. Okay, so please give me some time. Thanks for giving for some time. So actually in my PC, so Edge is not compatible, so we need to work with desired capabilities. So what is meant by desired capabilities means if you import desired capable statements, then only cross-browser testing is possible. So it's a package. Just if you import statements, automatically it will collect the packages from the Selenium. So you'll get to know a few points about this. So it gives you facility to set the properties of browser, such as to set the browser name, platform, version of the browser. So most desired capabilities class used when we do use it to Selenium grid. So obviously we are doing on Selenium grid only. So we have to execute multiple test cases on multiple systems with a different browser, with a different version and different operating systems. So actually in our PCs, Windows is only there. So but we are executing on different browsers, right? So we need to import the desired capabilities too. So actually I had written here. So if you import the statement, so you would like to write these browser names. So which browsers you are going to work on, which browsers you are going to work. So actually I am working in Firefox and Google Chrome. So sorry, so my PC is not compatible with Microsoft Edge as of now. So if possible, I will update you as soon as possible. Okay, so I'll cut it here and I will paste it. Here. So I will remove these comments. That's it. So I is not there. Okay, we'll remove this I and I'll give a statement here. So print Twitter is open in Chrome. Okay, I'll put in parentheses. So not a problem. So here also I will print the statement. So Twitter is opened in Firefox. Twitter is open in Firefox. That's it. So we are going to do the cross-browser testing only on two browsers. So one is Firefox, another one is Chrome. So in my PC, Edge is not compatible with the Selenium as of now. So if it's possible, so I'll update you as soon as possible. Okay, so I'm going to execute this program. I'll right click on Hatan run new test, click on OK. First, Google Chrome is opened. If this test is completed, so obviously it will need to work in Firefox too. So I won't do anything, so automatically Firefox need to be opened. So here also Twitter is open in Google Chrome. Okay, and we need to wait for Firefox. It will take some time. Still the program is running. So please be patient. Please be patient. Okay, we'll move on to this console. So Twitter is open. So what about the Firefox? Still the program is running. Driver is equals to WebDriver. Yeah. Yes, the Firefox is also opened. So depends on your net speed, it will work. Okay, we need to wait. Something is happened. Oh no. Again, Chrome is open. So Chrome is not required. So cross-browser is not included. The workspace. What is there? Keyword. Also obviously is executed. So here also need to execute. So I had already written the code correctly. Driver.exe. Okay, I had given the desired capabilities properties to platform, browser name, and Google Chrome browser. Okay, we'll try to execute this program again. If still same error is there, we'll get to know. I will get to know what is that error. Okay, Twitter is open in Google Chrome. Need to open in Firefox, so it's getting too much delay. Yep, Firefox browser is open. Yes, there is some delayed response. That's why delays happened. So nothing. So I didn't modify anything. So just I had re-executed the code. Sometimes it will give an error like this. Nothing will happen. So we'll move on to the console. So you can see. So Twitter is open in Chrome, Twitter is open in Firefox. So if you don't like this, so again go to this new and go to this Python module and give one TSP1. Okay, so TSP1 I will create one more and I will select class, or I will select class only. So I will select the class function. So you can see this is another traditional way, so where we can do list of Python operations. So Python modules where you can do. So if you want, so you can select one more, so TSP2. Okay, so you can select TSP2. So using this main function, you can do this function. So using this main function only, you can do some operations. Or else, if you want to go with another Python module called TSP3. Okay, so TSP3. So here you can select this unit test with setup and tear down, or else you can select this module CLI upgrades. Okay, so what is this? All the things you'll get to know. So actually it will be working with very complex for framework. So if you are going to with framework, so it will be very helpful for us. So if you are going to with Selenium testing for web Selenium, so if you go through this, so nearly you will get for single output for navigating the URL you will get nearly 5 to 8 lines. Automatically we will get the 5 to 8 lines. So we'll go to TSP. So we'll do what is this, all the things we are going to know now. Okay, so here you can see these defined functions, all the list you can see. So which we had created 3 files here. So for your understanding purpose, I had created this file. So actually I had created one method called one traditional way method. So for navigating the URL2, so if you are going to perform this, you are going to this traditional way. So for navigating the URL2, we will get nearly 6 lines. Okay, first you need to import this unit test statement. After that, we are going to import the Selenium web driver statement. So here you can define any name. So I had given as a traditional way. So here I had created one traditional method. So inside that I had created 2 files, and I had created one more file called traditional way. So here I'm going to perform the unit test. So here after this I'm going to define setup function. So I had passed this parameter called self. So self.driver I'm calling here. So I'm calling the driver with, I'm going to always work with Google Chrome browser only. So I had given this path, and after that I had given this one more function called test Google search page. So you can Google search page means, so Google search Google window will be open, sorry, Google page will be open. Okay, so after this we are going to call here driver is equals to self.driver. So we need to call this driver here, and after that we are going to give this navigation URL. So that's it. So for navigating URLs also you will get this this much of code. So if you go through with handling windows or taking screenshots, or else you can go with Facebook login, or else you can go with navigating multiple URLs. All the things will go. So you'll get nearly 30 to 40 lines of code. Okay, so you'll get nearly 30 to 40 lines of code. So if you are going with inheritance, or else method overriding or method overloading methods, so I will suggest you go through with traditional way. So if you are going with normal web testing, so you are going to with normal web Selenium testing, or else if you are going with normal things, so if you are going some normal problems also, you can go through our method called normal method. So we are going to, we didn't call any we didn't call it like this. We didn't pass any parameters inside there, so we need to call this inside this parameter, and we need to call this inside this parameter. So the main function will be executed from this. Okay, I didn't say you write this. So if you are going to work with Selenium Web, so go through this our our method. So directly you can write the statement, so nothing will happen. So both execution will be same, but if you go through this, so you can easily understand, so it will be readable. So if you are going with method overloading or method overriding, so go through this traditional way. So you can see the date too. So I had created today only. So after completion of our action classes, I had created. Actually, I need to say this video in beginning only, but I didn't say it you, because you need to get an idea. So how to work with Web Selenium, all the things which I'd like to acknowledge for you. So I had given my mark. So if you okay for that, so you can go through that method. So if you are willing to go through this, it will be a little bit tough for you, because as a beginner you won't get understand this keywords or nodes easily. So if you are going to keep on practicing, so you can go through this method also. But always this method will be not applicable, because it will take too much of time, and we need to care of these indent blocks. So mainly it will give this indent block error, so you cannot find this all these indent blocks in this. So once if your program is also correct, so if the execution part, if you done the execution too, so it will give if any error is there in this indent block, so it will get an automatic error called there is an indent block error. Sometimes they will show you like this, so only this parentheses need to be closed. So all the things you'll get to know, but as a beginner, so go through that method. So everyone will go to that method only. So most of the guys will teaching you from define functions. So inside this we are going to parameters, we are going to pass some parameters. So after that parameters, we are going to again call it from here. So if you are going through complete Python, and you are going to do all the frameworks, like robot framework or all the things, if any other frameworks you are going to do. So if you are going with Python OOPS concept, or apart from Python OOPS concept, you are going to any higher level of the standards, so you can go through with defined functions, or you are not going to higher end frameworks. So kindly go through this method, so which I had said you right, so which I had given you. So it will be very easy, and you can easily remember all these keywords and all the names. Okay, so this is a traditional way method, so which I had said you right. So once we'll try to execute this program. So after completion of this program, we'll see what you'll get in output. Simply for navigating the Google too, so we had get nearly 8 lines. So if you are going to with login, and if you are going to with handling Windows, all the things, you will get nearly 20 to 30 lines easily. Okay, so here we had performed this unit testing too. Okay, so we have performed one test here. So this is called unit test. So what is meant by unit testing means, so what is the command we are given, right? So if the task and the code is completed successfully, then automatically it will show the results in this console, and it will give how many tests you had run, so how many seconds it had taken.